All right, Parker,
Yeah,
check this
me.
out. I've never seen this before. A gentle little tap. And now I have some outlets on this side. And then, oh, I don't want it to be raised up anymore. Just a little tap and disappears. Magic.
How are we feeling about day one?
Fully loaded, baby, ready to go.
Yeah.
Oh, we're 5 days here.
Yeah.
5?
We're 5 days, if we're lucky. So it's a lot, but beautiful. It's gonna be awesome. This might be one of the coolest projects ever done.
The house goes like a mile that way, and another mile that way, and then the same down there.
Good morning.
Look who it is.
Beautiful day for an install.
First piece, baby.
First piece.
Of a million. That is a lot of Tetris. What's in it?
It's not a hardcover. For how much I paid for this thing?
What's the timeline?
I'm gonna cry. Layer by layer.
Kind of crystal is it?
Cool.
I have no clue.
Oh, it's really pokey to pick up. Okay. I feel good about that.
Yeah. Might be a good idea.
How we feeling?
We're feeling good. We're feeling cold. Nothing is damaged so far.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. That base is wood.
Are you smarter than Hannah Jean? What? Wait, hold on. How long is this gonna take me to put this together?
You did it! It's beautiful. How are you feeling day 2?
You know what? I actually feel pretty good. I think this is going good so far. I'm gonna start divvying out bathroom accessories and bedding today with Melissa. Doing the important things.
What color would you call this? Mocha? It's almost like chocolate.
Clearly mauve.
I knew it was. You're on sticker pulling now?
Yeah. It's no fun.
Just wait till you get my karate chop. Dude, it's pretty solid. It kind of looks a little tall to me. I don't think you karate chop these. Just decorative ones.
Yeah, I
Wait
don't
till I
think
go
you do either.
decorative and then you're gonna see the karate chop.
Been a pretty chill day. Last thing we're doing today is unboxing lamps. But tomorrow is going to be the heavy lifting day. They're bringing like a 2,000 pound pool table and a headboard.
Crash.
Dunzo. Hello. That's a big headboard. It might be exactly right. Cross your fingers.
Yay!
Okay, Danny.
Ooh.
Yeah, it feels a little small, don't you think? This crate was like 12 feet tall. They actually didn't fit in the box truck. Yeah, so they have a straight truck, and it actually didn't fit in the truck.
Oh yeah, they had to bring
So
it
they
on
had
the
to bring it on a
flatbed.
flatbed because it was too tall. This is probably the biggest one I've seen.
Yeah, for sure.
Crate day, baby.
Oh, there's a ton of them, dude. In one of our trucks, we have like 10 of them.
Pool table was in there.
1,600 pounds.
That is disgusting.
Just me. I can do it.
You said
Don't worry,
yesterday.
guys. Yeah, no worries. I got it. Like a wardrobe, you know, like just like this. That's it. We're gonna take a break, okay? No worries. So we are here today with these beautiful guys. It's gonna be so fun.
Another big one.
Big one. Been with movers all day. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Just slow and steady. Every day, more things. Unbox. But I'm gonna try to get housework done today before I have to leave. So, don't get my nails. Wait, don't get my nails. I was juicing turmeric last night, and I have like white nails, and it totally stained them. Like they're like
really?
yellow. But my husband keeps calling them boiled egg nails, and it's making me.
That's mean.
It's so mean.
Boiled egg nails.
Don't no.
What's up, guys? We are done for today. So tomorrow is gonna be fun too. We are still missing big pieces, so it's gonna be fun. We are good.
Good morning.
Hi,
How are you feeling? Last day.
I'm in for a long one. It's gonna be an all-nighter, I have a feeling.
An
I came in my
all-nighter.
comfy clothes, so in case I have to sleep on the job.
We got all hands on deck today.
Of course.
Boom, boom, boom,
Jen,
boom.
what were you saying?
boom,
Andrea measured
boom.
what?
About time we had.
Boom, boom.
About time we had help here. Andrea's been here every freaking day.
I have, but it's been good. I made a lot of progress, so.
I thought you were gonna say
excited.
made a lot of friends.
Oh, yeah, no.
No, no friends.
Here, I'm packaging those.
Okay. We have to make beds.
Make beds, felt pad, place accessories.
Small list, but it doesn't. That's
Small
not
in
small
theory.
amount.
So it's gonna take us all day long.
What I wanted to see is, can you move this whole section over this way about maybe 6 to 8 inches, and then I want to push it back a little bit. Yeah, go a little bit more
Okay.
to the right.
Watch your drawer. Come back to me.
Can you flip those down for me? This pinch point here, I want it this way, and I want it this way, but okay, I have to measure this with my 2, 3. Darn it.
How you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. I feel
It's his birthday today,
It's my
baby.
birthday today.
And he's here working. 27.
27. I'm a baby. I'm still a baby.
This is like a puzzle I can't figure out. The problem is all of these tiny bowls. I only have a certain amount of pigs, and I have all these dishes. I'm happy with these two top ones, but it's these bowls. I'm gonna let that marinate for a little bit.
We're getting the primary all set up now.
I was so glad I wasn't here when this got delivered. Barely fit. Were you here?
Yeah. Roll the tape. It fit by like an inch.
Oh! I woke up at like 2 in the morning. I was like, oh, that measure headboard. We didn't do final measure. Like, is it gonna fit? I was like, freaking out. Yeah, like that. And then let's just match that angle. Okay. And then let's just move that back in between.
This is beautiful. Cool.
Yep, that looks good. Hey, that's good.
Okay.
In here. Why do we have these little pillows? No little pillows ever. Why is this one so little?
Never ever.
Never little. No little pillows. Little pillows look deep.
Might as well just take a nap in here.
The one person who likes making bets.
Me.
Still don't understand why.
Woo!
This was really hard to figure out when I was buying the accessories. What do you put in a hexagon? The answer is a crystal naked
A
bodice.
crystal woman. Update. It's 4:53. We're cruising. Glassware's gotta go down. A few more accessories gotta be placed. We gotta clean our crap up because it's a mess everywhere. But it's looking good.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, let's go.
This looks awesome with all the lights on.
L'amour qui chante doucement dans mon cœur. L'amour sans logique à la raison.